InVideo AI makes it very simple for someone who doesn't have any video creation skills to create videos in minutes. So basically how InVideo AI works is you prompt your video through text. So you give it a text and explain what your video should be about, and then with this prompt you just click the generate video and you will get the entire video with music, with voiceovers, and with subtitles. So you can as well, when you don't like something, you can edit the text there, and just say, for example, you don't like the voice, you can say change the voice to a female voice. Let's say, for example, we give it like make a video about top 10 things you can do in New York. And after we wrote that, we just can click generate a video, as easy as that. See, I'm asked here the audience, who is it for the video? So for travelers or for New York tourists. So I can say here for New York tourists, look and feel bright, inspirational. I can say it should feel inspirational platform. It's for YouTube, it's not for shorts. So we want to do the long form content, so we can click continue. So I will speed up that as well. I need a different voice, make it female, and then you just tell it with prompts what the video should do and what not. So when I do this, you see now it's saying hi, changing the narrator's voice to a female voice. So now it's processing this, and I will get a female voice instead of a man's voice here.
Buckle up, folks. Let's dive into the top 10 must-sees in New York City. First up, the iconic Statue of Liberty. Snap a selfie with Lady Liberty and soak in the history.
And then the entire video, you see, gets the female voice, and those footages are from Storyblogs. But when you purchase an upgrade, you won't have the watermark here, and you can generate much more videos. And just by easy click download, you can just download the video. So to edit, I can say, okay, I don't like this, or I don't like this picture. See, I can even go into edit script, say I want to say something different here. I just can change it out here. I can say, okay, let's see the media here. I can delete the media. Like you see under edit, you can do edit scripting, edit music, add a different music. So if you want to change it out, it's very simple. You just click on the thing you want to change out, and then you say a new footage of New York, and then you click enter, and it will find newer footage of New York. And you can click here and say replace and apply changes, and this should then update the current video where the footage was. You see here it changed it out. This picture was a different one, so it changed it out. But yeah, you can do very simple things like travel videos, like this in New York, what you can do, and so on. So basically, this InVideo AI is very great for simplistic videos, like top 10 places, or like for example, health and fitness. Basically, for simple videos that can have simple footage from anything. And so this is the best use case of InVideo AI. As well, it's very cool that you can translate, like you can make the videos in different languages, like you can see German, Spain, and India, and Brazil, and any about 50 plus of languages you can make your videos. So it doesn't need to be English, so you have multiple choices there as well. One cool part is you can as well clone your voice with AI. So basically it's your voice cloned that sounds basically like you, 90% similar to your voice, and then you can easily make videos with your voice. So what I like about InVideo AI myself is I created a video for top 10 things to do in New York. This InVideo AI is actually a good tool for videos that you can simply create with footage. So like top 10 places to visit in New York, or best places in Europe to travel to, or something like that. Something that doesn't involve a lot of edits, just simple footage that can be yeah. And when you click generate video, you will get the script and everything. Is basically a full entire video already produced for you just for upload. So In my case, if you want to create those simple travel videos, travel guides, and so on, this is the way to go. For more complex editing, it's not the best thing, but for those kind of videos, for travel videos where you can connect with affiliate links, is the best thing to go. So like you can see, you can start for free. You have 10 minutes of free with watermark, but I personally use this one, the plus one, and you can see how much you need, like 200 minutes a month of AI generation. You can say I need only 100 minutes. You can see how much iStock footage you can have here, and unlimited exports, 4 voice clones. You can clone 4 voices, and it's up to 2 users to share with 2 users. So yeah, you can see what works the best. Maybe you want to go for this particular price plan here, but I think you can easily start with the middle, with the plus tier, and with this one you can generate a lot of videos, believe me. So compared to the free plan, in my opinion, it's not worth it, but you can just test it out, start with it. Link is in the description below as well. So yeah, you have as well the InVideo AI mobile app. You can do the same thing just on mobile. I mean, how cool is that? You don't need even a PC to do that. So yeah, these are the pros and cons. In my opinion, the pros is the videos are very fast to generate. The voices are sounding really great, and it's really good for travel videos, travel guides, something or like health and fitness, where you can talk about fitness stuff and fitness footage. It's very easy to create videos because there's a lot of iStock footage and yeah, from other stock footage, so you can make easily great quality videos there. So that's basically it. If you want to join and test InVideo AI out, just check the link in the description below. See you in the next review.